What is up, everyone? This is Brendan from Dynamic FX, bringing you today a little bit about key levels. And I want to kind of go deeper into key levels because it's really important to know where these key levels are inside of the market and to really know where price respects these certain key levels the most. So what we do for key levels is on TradingView, tradingview.com. It's set on candles, right? On candlesticks. So what you're going to do, you're going to come down to your line chart. And for key levels, we're going to look at the touches that it actually has, right? Where price respects the most. So for a great key level, I can put one right there, right? For a monthly key level, I can put one right there. And you always want to start out on your monthly time frame and then work down. So monthly, weekly, and then daily key levels are the most important key levels that you could possibly have. So the reason why I put a key level right here is because we got a touch over here, right? A touch right here, and then a touch right here. So we have 3 touches. So that's one of my key levels, right? That's one of my monthly key levels. I can also drop down here and do another key level right here as well, right? Where anywhere you see a touch, anywhere you see like the hooks being thrown, these are key levels. If it's just straight off, straight line, those are not key levels, right? So you need to have multiple touches in there. This is also a key level right in here. A monthly key level, which is really more important than that. So so we have 3 monthly key levels, right? And what you can do, you can just double tap on them and type in monthly. Whoops. You can type in monthly, right? And then the number over here on the side, what you see over here, 167815, right? That's the level that this monthly key level is at. So that's what I can type in here, right? 167815 is what I can type in here. And then boom, right? It brings it up over here on the side. So I know that's a monthly key level, right? And so our next one, we can do the same thing. Monthly. And the next one is 155859. Oops, I missed the 5. All right, and it also brings it up over here on the side, right? And then we can do our last one. Also a monthly level as well, since we're on the monthly time frame, which means these are monthly levels, right? Okay, so those are our monthly key levels. Now what do? I drop down a time frame and do a weekly key level, right? So I'll come to 1 week and I'll do a weekly key level as well, right? And I already see a weekly key level with my own eyes, right? Right in here is a weekly key level. So what can I do? Double tap on that, type in weekly, right? What number is it at, right? You come over here straight from the line. You just come over here and read it, right? So 164276, right? 164276 is our weekly. It's really good to have about 2 levels, 3 levels, or whatever for your key levels for monthly, weekly, and daily. So I can do another weekly right here. Right, and that weekly is at 160,545, right? And so those are our key levels for monthly and weekly, right? You see how I'm kind of graphing this chart up? Now for the daily key levels, I use what's called a horizontal ray, and it's this right here, right? And you can find this if you come up here. You can actually find this in this box, right? Horizontal ray right there. I just clicked on the star and it brought it down in this box that I already have. So I drop down to the daily time frame. What am I looking for? Some more key levels, right? Some more daily key levels, which is a good daily key level. It's in here, right? We're counting the touches: 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We can see price respecting this area a lot. So that's a daily key level. Also, here's another daily key level currently where price just rejected off and it's going back down to the downside. And I'm going to tell you the whole reason why I'm in this sell right now. So we got our, and if we bring our candlesticks back, we got our key levels, right? And I'm looking at the 4 hour for the entry, right? We got our key levels. We have our monthly. We worked our way from our monthly week level down to the weekly, down to the daily, and boom, we stop right there, right? There's no necessary, it's not necessary to go down any further. But as you can see, when you have your key levels, it kind of helps you out to know where the market is, right? So you see price before has already been respecting this daily key level, right? And every time it's touched it through multiple wicks up here, it bounced straight down, right? And as you can see, I've got a daily key level right here, which price has respected also. But as you can see, price has also broke through this daily key level and came down here and tested the monthly key level, right? How many touches we got on this monthly key level? 1, 2, and 3, right? Just on this monthly key level. So the whole reason why I'm in a sell right here, I said price has closed below this daily key level. We're going back down, right? We're going back down to the downside because what price does, guys, price, it runs right in between these key levels. It goes from key level to key level to key level, right? So when you do your monthly key level, when you do your weekly key level, you're actually able to see the market a lot better, right? You actually know a target of where the market could possibly go. Now, I know I said monthly key level down here. I meant to say weekly. But as you can see, price has been respecting this weekly key level, right? So that's the first thing I do, and that's the first thing you want to do when you come inside of these markets. You want to look for you want to spot your key levels, right? Working your way from your monthly to your daily, to your weekly, and then to your daily, right? So 3 of those are fine, and then find your entry. The whole reason why I'm in this sell right here, guys, because if we're really looking on the daily time frame too, we can see it on the 4 hour, but you can also see it on the daily time frame too, that it has rejected. And my daily key levels are these blue lines, right? So I don't have my daily key levels noted. I just have them as blue lines. It closed below this daily key level, right? Closed below this daily key level, then back to the downside. Is really the whole reason why I got in the trade. Also another thing that we do, and I'm gonna kind of I'm gonna go over that in the next video. So this video, all I want you to do is focus on these key levels, right? These key levels. And the whole reason why I got in this trade is because of these key levels, right? The whole reason why I got in these trades is because of this key level. You know, it closed below this key level, it didn't break above. We had a close below, boom, I took the sell. We could potentially see on Euro NZD, we could potentially see this break below this daily key level, which it has a high probability that it will pull back down to here. It'll have a couple more pullbacks and then, you know, eventually make its way down. We could also have a breakthrough in this key level and then back down to the weekly. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys understand kind of what key levels are. Remember, come to your line chart, start out at your higher time frames, right? Come from monthly. You want to go off touches, right? Anywhere you see a hook is where you want to spot your key levels, right? Come down to your weekly, right? Multiple touches thrown in here. A good support area. We got 3 touches, 4, right? And then a few over here. So that's a strong area that we know. So that's why I said it was a key level. That's all key levels are, guys, right? Multiple touches, and you want to get your line chart out so you can actually see that, you know, a lot better. So guys, catch me in the next video. I'll go over a little bit more, but I just wanted this to be based on key levels inside of the markets. It's very, very important that you do your key levels first. When looking at a pair, this is the first thing you want to do. So I wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. This is the first thing I do inside of the markets. I mark my key levels. And I will catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.